welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and
Laura.
Today is tasting day for Moonshine Week. This is what we've been looking forward to. Okay, so like we said, we did 6 different moonshines, and we're going to taste them today, and we'll give you our honest opinion of what they are. If they need some tweaking, we'll mention that, and I'll take some notes. Okay, so the very first moonshine we did was Green Apple Moonshine. Now this was made with the Green Apple Jolly Rancher Moonshine and some sour apple Kool-Aid. Okay, what I was after was that really intense flavor. I really think this would be good with, I'm thinking, with some Sprite and ice. But we're just going to, let's give it a try and see what it's like, alright? Okay. Alright, so this is the Jolly Rancher Green Apple Moonshine. It is a pretty color though.
It certainly is.
Woo!
It smells good.
Can you smell the green apple?
I can. Yum yum.
Alright, let's give it a try. Wow. It's potent. And it does have a real intense green apple flavor. You know, from the, I think from the candy and also the Kool-Aid. And like I said, I think that would be really good with some Sprite and some ice.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yep.
Think so?
At least some ice. Yep.
Well, I don't think would you change that at all?
No.
I think the sweetness is okay. And I think...
Well, it's got the tartness.
Yes.
Which helps.
Okay. Whew. I think that was a winner. So number 1. Woo! It does have a little bit of juice to it too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to say we're not going to change that at all. Okay, the next one. Okay, this was started out to be a strawberry rhubarb, but if you remember back in the video when we made it, couldn't find rhubarb nowhere. We looked and we looked and looked and couldn't find rhubarb anywhere. So we ended up just making a strawberry moonshine. So basically it's just strawberry, a little bit of lemon juice, and but you can go check the video out and how we made it. You know, by the time we get to the last one here,
yeah,
I don't know what to say.
They'll all start tasting the same.
Oh, I don't know about that. Okay, so this is the strawberry. If you look at the color, it's a beautiful color.
And it smells good.
Does it?
Oh, yeah. Nice strawberry.
I smell a lot of strawberry in that.
Oh, yeah.
The only thing I think it might change a little bit is I'd like to have it just a little bit sweeter. Or no?
I think it's perfect. I don't think you want any more sweetness.
No.
Nope.
I mean, it's very delicious. Now, like any of my drinks, I like them cold. These are all room temperature.
Right. A cube would be great in this.
Yes. Okay. We're not done yet.
We're not.
No.
Okay.
Not yet. Okay. Alright, so we're going to say we're going to leave that one alone. Now this next one, this next one's what I call hot damn. Okay. It is with cinnamon sticks and hot pepper flakes.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to be a lot like Fireball. You know, a lot of people like Fireball.
Right.
But it was made with Shine. Pretty much the same recipe except Shine instead of a bourbon or a whiskey. So this one ought to be pretty hot damn.
It's got a nice color to it. Wow.
I mean, this is the best part of Shine Week is today.
God, it smells just like a cinnamon stick. Oh,
Now, this is the only one that I did taste. All the other shines we did not taste till today. This one I did taste because I did find in past history, if you let it sit too long on them pepper flakes, it gets just too darn hot, and then it ain't what we like. So this is one that I did taste.
okay.
And it was on them hot pepper flakes and the cinnamon for 3 days, and I felt that was enough.
Okay.
So let's see how it come out. All right. Oh, it's got
I told you it smells like
a lot of cinnamon. Hot damn! Ooh,
Oh, it's like sucking a fireball.
with a little extra heat.
Yep.
I don't think I would have want any more than 3 days.
No, that's plenty. But it
Wow.
doesn't taste just like a fireball.
If that was ice cold, oh,
Yeah.
all I can say is one thing.
Hot
Hot damn! Woo! That is good.
Yes, it is.
That is one, if you like Fireball, you would like that.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's got all the cinnamon and heat to back it up.
Yeah, but if you like those fireball
Candies?
oh,
Or the little red hot candies.
oh, well, those little cinnamon hearts have nothing on this.
All right. We're halfway done. I'd just like to thank Lori again for putting up with me for this. Moonshine Week has been a lot of fun.
Yeah, it has.
You know, we got a lot of ideas from a lot of people, and we had to choose 6. That's what we did, and so maybe next time we'll
Do another.
do another 6. Okay. All right.
Give us your opinions. Dang.
Woo!
That needs a cube.
Yeah, put that one in the freezer. Oh, that would be delicious.
Yum.
All right. I think we need some clean glasses.
Okay.
Okay. That is a hot damn. I don't think I'd change that at all.
Uh-uh.
No. All right, the next one we chose was Peach Moonshine. Everybody loves Peach Moonshine. Now, out of all the moonshines I did on this, this is the one that gave me the most. I ended up with 3.5 gallons.
Oh, wow.
So we got plenty of peach to enjoy. So, and I did leave the peaches in this one. I was going to strain it, but I ended up just leaving it in there. Okay, this is Peach Moonshine. All right. I smell peach in there.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Got good peach aroma.
Yeah, it does.
You ready?
Yes.
Ooh.
That's trouble on a bottle because you know what? It tastes just like peach juice.
This is probably the lowest alcohol. I ain't quite sure what it is.
Yeah,
But flavor-wise,
it's yummy. Yep.
you're right. I could drink it all summer long. Yeah, that one is
Oh,
fantastic.
you could drink this for breakfast.
Yeah, you could. That is very, very good. I really like that.
Yeah, it's a peach juice. It's
a little
really
bit on this. It's not sweet, but it is sweet.
Good. Yeah,
But you can really
it's very
smell
good.
the peach,
Yes.
and you can really taste the peach.
And the peach is there. Yep.
And that was made out of white grape peach juice, brown sugar, fresh peaches. It had a cinnamon stick in every jar, and of course moonshine.
Of course.
And it's been infused. It's been in there for about 2 weeks, and so far, I'm just leaving it the way it is. I'm gonna leave the peach in the jar.
Yep.
Okay.
Because nothing will happen to the peach while it's sitting in there. Okay.
All right, but I think that would be a nice refreshing drink. So I think I would leave it just the way it is.
Yes.
Okay. All right. We're just moving on. Got 2 more to go. Okay, this next one. Oh, you got to finish yours. Okay, this next one, I got the recipe from Cyrus over at Still in the Clear. This was Moonshine's recipe, and when I seen it, when he did Moonshine, not Moonshine, Windsong.
Windsong.
I'm sorry about that. When Windsong, it was Windsong's recipe. Cyrus made it. It just sounded so good that I had to try it.
Okay.
And I figured this was the perfect opportunity to try it. This is a watermelon moonshine. I got moonshine on the brain.
Yes, you do.
So I would really like to thank Windsong for this. I haven't tasted it yet, but I am sure.
It's probably delicious.
I think it's going to be pretty darn good. All right, so let's give it a try. Windsong's going to have to understand we are 1, 2, 3, 4 different moonshines in. What can I say? All right. It's got a beautiful color to it.
It smells like just like a watermelon.
It smells like you're eating watermelon.
Yep, it's good. You ready?
Okay, cheers. What can I say?
It's just like taking
A bite out of a watermelon.
Yep, it's yummy. Oh
So
my.
if you like watermelon, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like you just took a bite
out of a watermelon
with a little bit of a
Yes.
kick. That's
really good, Randy. I like that.
that is good. Thank you, Windsong. Oh man. Okay,
Let me finish that.
that's 5 down, 1 to go. Of course, I would not change that at all.
No, that's perfect.
So far, I mean, it's not over sweet, but you can taste a little bit of sweetness to it.
But it tastes just like a watermelon.
Yes. Yes, it does. Tastes just like a watermelon. Okay, the last one we got. And I've had a few people ask for this one. If you look at it, it is one beautiful color. Right? We got an array of different colors here. So this is blackberry moonshine. Now this is blackberry flavored moonshine. So all these are a flavored moonshine, which means I started off with a corn moonshine and we added flavoring to it to get to the flavor that we wanted.
But you used fresh fruit for that.
This
right?
was made with fresh blackberries.
Yes.
And you check out the video and it'll show you exactly how we made it. I mean, like I said, you can see the color.
Yep.
I don't really smell blackberry. Do you smell blackberry?
No.
Do you taste blackberry?
You taste berry.
Oh, I can sure taste the blackberry.
Yeah, you can taste the berry.
I think it's pretty balanced with the sweetness, though.
Yes. Yes.
But like I said before, I think with and it's personal preference. I love cold drinks.
I do too.
You know, I can drink it with ice, and that's another one that you could put a little bit of soda with.
Yes.
That would be very, very good.
I'm glad it didn't taste like the cough drops.
No, I didn't want the cough drops. I didn't want cough syrup.
Yeah. No, it doesn't taste like that at all. It's very good.
Yeah, it does not taste syrupy at all.
No.
But you do get some intense.
The berry flavor, yes.
The blackberry flavor. Wow. Okay, well that's Shine Week. Shine Week has been a lot of fun for us. Plus, hey, we got
tastings.
We got a lot of stuff to enjoy. I did put the recipe for each one that I did in the description box in the video. So if you would like to try one, it is in the video. Overall, I'm very pleased with all 6 of them.
Yep. I wouldn't change anything on
No.
any of them. Nope.
So, what's left?
Thank you.
I would love to thank every one of you for watching our videos and the people that subscribe. Thank you. And if you haven't had that chance yet to subscribe, hey, it's very easy. Just hit that button. We would really appreciate it. It does help us out a lot, even if you might not think it does, but it does help us out a lot.
It does, yep.
And it's what makes us be able to keep bringing out this content for you guys, is hitting that subscribe button.
Yes.
All right? And I guess that's about the last thing I got to say. Now, before I go, which one is your favorite?
Hot damn.
I'm going to have to go. I'm having a tough choice between hot damn
and watermelon.
I'm going green apple. I might have to go to green apple.
Okay, I thought that watermelon was awesome.
There was not a bad one in the batch.
No, but I think that one's my favorite.
The watermelon?
No. The cinnamon.
Oh, the cinnamon, yes.
Yes.
It is intense.
Yes, but if you had an ice cube in it, it's perfect.
Oh, you could sip on that. And
yep. There's that, yep.
I'm going to have to agree with you that. And then the second most, I'm going to go with the green apple.
Okay, I like the watermelon.
So, hey.
There's that.
If you make any of these, I don't think you can be a loser.
Nope.
All right? So, with the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.